Once upon a time, Michael and Mommy. Mommy, with me a book. Okay. Which one do you want? Jenny, Johnny, hamster. Bring me the hamster. Bring me the hamster, please. Okay. Once upon a time, a boy called John and his hamster. One day, the hamster was gone. Mommy, I want a hamster. No, he will get out. No, he will go home. I promise you, if he stays in the box. If he stays in the box, okay. I need the money. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 euros. Thank you, Mommy. Bye, Mommy. Hello. I want a hamster. Do you want a hamster? Here you are. Hamster. I need a box. Do you need a box? Here you are. Thank you. How much is it? 10 euros. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you. Bye. Mommy, I have a hamster. Where is it? Here in the box. Michael, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Michael. Where is the hamster? Here in the box. Good night. Here for you. Good morning, Michael. Wake up. Good morning, Mommy. Where is the hamster? In the box. The hamster is gone. What did Mommy tell you? The hamster must stay in a box. Where is the hamster? Michael, have a look. In a hamster is in the computer. No. Michael, have a look in the hamster. It's in the door. Yes. Hamster in the box, hamster the grower. And that's all. And that's all.